What's up, family? I know it's been a couple of weeks since I last posted due to my vacations, but I'm back now with amazing content for you. All right, thank you all so much for helping this family reach over 21,000 subscribers. It's been by your efforts. All right, so thank you so much for continually subscribing and sharing and liking my videos. All right, so if you're ready for today's video, let's get right into it. So today I wanted to discuss something a question which I get quite a lot. Okay, so I usually get questions from people: how do I create intros? So let me know in the comment section below if you think I should do a couple of more videos on this, make it into a short series. Okay, so this is more about creating intro, so intro ideas. How do you create an intro for a song? So say you're playing for an artist or a singer who is singing. So let's try in the key of C sharp. Let's say the singer is doing the very common hymnal, the blood, which ends, it will never lose its power. So all right, so very simple like that. So now that's already an intro, right? Because the song starts from the blood that Jesus shed for me. All right, but then what do you play for the singer to start with? Now, the first intro idea, which I'm going to talk about in this short video, is playing sort of the last line in the chorus, right? So check the song you're playing with. I always like to give you steps so it's easy to do it with other songs, right? Check the song you're playing with. Most likely you're going to play something for the singer to start in the verse. So the easy approach you can go with this is to actually pick up the last line of the chorus, because usually after that last line of the chorus the verse comes in, so it's a bit easy for the singer to know what to come in with. All right, so in this song, for example, so it goes, the whole intro goes, if I play it in a simple way, right, then so this is the ending of the chorus. It would never lose its power, right? So this is I'm using a gospel example. I'll try something else a bit later. So if the singer wants to sing the song, you could just play the very last line, right? Maybe change the piano register to something like the blood that Jesus shed, right? So that's a very simple but nice intro you've come up with by just playing the last line. All right, easy going intro. So that's one, that's like that's a simple way you can play this. So let's try for something else. So let's try a simple song like Above All, which ends in something like something simple like that. So if we check out the last line is and thought of me above all, right? And from here it's easy to start with above all, right? Okay, so how do we play an easy intro for this? You can just take the last line, which starts on the 4 to the 5, like right? And then the song leader can start, or you can play the song, the last or so. You can play above all right? And there you go. Very easy and simple. But you saw that I ended with something like, right? And that's very easy to execute. To just I'll probably keep your hand on the one on both sides, and then you do this middle melody. So it's like a 5, 4, 3, and on the left hand is a 7, 6, 5. So these are like sixths, what I call sixths, right? These are sixths. So you go, but you want to do this, or so when you go like above all power, right? So this was a short video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below if you want a mini series of this nature, right? Thank you for joining me in this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.